Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 25H2 ISO. So if you want to create a bootable USB drive with Windows 11 25H2 and you need to download the ISO, the official one, let me walk you through the steps to do so. So go ahead and open up your browser guys, and you simply want to search for Windows 11 25H2 download. Once you do that, you will see the result shown from Microsoft, and as you can see, even the first option in the list and the description as well of this, you can see that this is going to give you the latest version of the 25H2. So just simply click on this link right here. Now, once you're on the page, you will see the details again right here. Download Windows 11, and here you can see the current version of Windows that is updated to the version 25H2. Now, all you have to do is scroll down, and there are two ways how to actually get this. This one is actually going to allow you to download the Windows 11 Media Tool. And how to do this, you just simply go ahead and click download. It's going to download the Media Tool, and you want to go ahead and run this Media Tool on your computer. I'm going to show you how that actually works because I have it right here. You want to double click and run this. It's going to ask you for administrative privilege, and you can just simply install that on your PC. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like once it is completed. And here you can see that it's currently getting ready. So what's going to happen is that you will use this media tool to actually download Windows 11 ISO. And you will see in a moment here how it's going to give you the options to download this. Right here, you simply want to, accept the terms, and you will see in a moment here. Now right here, it basically allows you to select the language, and of course Windows 11. You're going to go ahead and click on next, and here you can see that it gives you the option to, to put it in a USB drive, but you simply want to go ahead and choose, for example, ISO file, if that's what you want, right? Or again, as I said, if you want to put it on a USB stick, you can just simply do that. Click next, you'll be able to select your USB and so forth. So if you come here, you can just say USB, and of course you want to go ahead and proceed. They say they can't find they can't find a USB, and of course, because a USB stick is not inserted in my machine. But once you do, it will proceed and you can have that. But as I said, if you want the ISO, you can just simply choose ISO file, click next, and it's going to use this media tool to download Windows 11 ISO for you. Now I'm going to cancel this and show you the second option from the official website. Now the second way how to download the official ISO file of Windows 11 25H2 is to do it by downloading this image right here. This basically does the same thing as I was doing with the ISO selection there, but all you have to do in this case is just simple click here and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, and you want to click and download. It's going to do a quick validation right here guys, and you will just need to select your language, English or international, whichever, then click and confirm, do a quick validation again, and you will get the option now to download the 64-bit version of Windows. So you just need to click and download, and it's going to start download for you. And as you can see, it started here and it's currently downloaded on my machine, and this is going to download the ISO image on Windows. And from there, I'm going to just cancel this, and from there you can use a tool such as Rufus that is going to allow you to create a bootable disk for your Windows on a flash drive. So you can install Rufus on your PC. I'm going to show you what the Rufus look like. I'm going to type in Rufus because I have it installed, and you will just need to open up Rufus. Once you install it, and it's going to look like this. It's going to detect your USB drive on your PC, and it's going to ask you to select the ISO file once it is finished downloaded. This is my version of it. As you can see, I would just select that. Once you have the USB inserted in your machine, it's going to detect right here, and all you have to do is click on the ready and start. All you have to do is just simply click on the start, and it's going to start. You want to give this about 30 minutes guys. You will see of course as well a few pop-ups. You just need to click yes, 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 and it's going to start. Give it about 30 minutes or so to fully create that bootable disk USB disk for you that you can simply insert in any machine and install Windows 11 25H2 on it. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and download Windows 11 25H2 ISO from the official Microsoft website. And as you can see, this is the official link. Very easy and very simple.